What if DJI's next mid-range powerhouse completely rewrote the rules of weight, performance, and professional imaging? The upcoming DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be one of the most heavily anticipated and fiercely debated drone releases. With fresh regulatory sightings, leaked prototype components, and a targeted late 2026 launch window, this aircraft is poised to shake up the portable drone market more than any release in years. Positioned squarely between the ultra-portable Mini series and the flagship Mavic family, the Air 4 centers around a massive rumor, a possible sub-250G weight classification. Regulatory advantage. Shaving down from Air 3S's 724G frame would bypass strict commercial licensing and registration hurdles in multiple global markets. Engineering hurdles. Packing robust batteries, advanced sensors, and upgraded optics into such a light body remains an incredible technical feat. Redesigned airframe. Leaked prototype data reveals robust folding arms, tougher weather-resistant materials, and a top-mounted sensor deck inspired by the Mavic 4 architecture. Imaging is where the Air 4 aims to completely distance itself from its predecessors. Dual 1-inch sensors. Industry insiders point to a revolutionary dual-lens setup featuring dual 1-inch CMOS sensors for both primary and telephoto modules, vastly boosting low-light performance and dynamic range. Extended focal lengths. Rumors hint at flexible options, including sharp 2.5x and 6x focal reach, giving portrait and landscape creators unprecedented versatility. Advanced video profiles. Building on standard 4K high frame rate options, enhanced HDR processing, and potential high-resolution formatting are heavily anticipated. Performance under the hood matches its exterior overhaul, omnidirectional and LiDAR sensing. An updated front-facing and top-mounted LiDAR sensor array guarantees reliable obstacle avoidance and safer autonomous tracking, even in tricky dusk or indoor environments. 4+ video transmission. Upgraded connectivity ensures lower latency, rock-solid live feeds, and exceptional range stability in congested environments. Flight endurance. Power management optimizations are slated to deliver roughly 38 to 40 minutes of continuous flight time per battery pack. Facing stiff competition from recent heavy hitters, including the Air 3S, Mini 5 Pro, and alternative creator drones, DJI is leaning heavily on its mature ecosystem, seamless flight software, and robust app support to keep competitors at bay. If DJI successfully delivers a lightweight, sub-250G or highly refined mid-range platform packed with dual 1-inch sensors, the Air 4 could easily become the most important drone release of 2026. What feature are you hoping DJI prioritizes most in the final build? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.